Hello students, welcome to the channel, and in this video I have taken previous year questions 2020 basic and standard paper 2019 and the previous year papers in this video. The first question, that is from 2020 standard paper, 3 marks. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3, prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Now I need to prove this tan plus cot equal to 1 is sin plus cos equal to root 3. So what I will do, I will just simplify the equation. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 3. That is given to me. If I square both sides, what I will get? Sin theta प्लस cos थीटा का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू रूट 3 का स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, रूट 3 का स्क्वायर 3. What is sin square plus cos square theta? Is 1. We know the identity, sin square plus cos square is 1. When I will take this 1 to the right hand side, 2 sin theta into cos theta, 3 minus 1 is 2. So to cancel, so sin theta into cos theta equal to 1. This is the relation I got from the first equation. Now what we need to prove, I am taking the LHS side. The LHS is tan theta plus cot theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. What is cot theta? That can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. If I take LCM, sin theta into cos theta, cross multiply sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin square plus cos square? This is 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Do I know the value of sin theta into cos theta? That is 1, that is given to me. So I can write 1 upon 1, that is equal to RHS. I will write by equation number 1. And that is what I need to prove. Right? I hope this question is clear. Now next question is 2020 basic paper. That is of 2 marks. We have 2 question, option was given here. Either prove this or prove this. Right? I am solving the first question, LHS side. Right? What is LHS? Under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Now the question is, it is not about the solution. How to do the first step? How to solve the question? What should be come in my mind? Whenever a root is there, always think of rationalizing the denominator. Right? So what I am doing here, I am rationalizing the denominator. Denominator is what? 1 plus sin theta. Rationalizing factor is 1 minus sin theta. Multiplying and dividing. So I will have a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a minus b, a minus b, a minus b का whole square. Now न्यूमरेटर का रूट स्क्वायर से कैंसिल होगा और I am writing the next step 1 minus sin theta का whole square upon cos square theta. देखो न्यूमरेटर इज आल्सो इन स्क्वायर फॉर्म, डिनोमिनेटर इज आल्सो इन स्क्वायर फॉर्म, सो स्क्वायर से रूट कैंसिल होगा. सो न्यूमरेटर में विल हैव 1 minus sin theta and denominator is what? Cos theta. Now I will separate it. 1 by cos, sin by cos. What is 1 by cos theta? Sec theta. And what is sin by cos theta? That is tan theta. And this is what the RHS hence proof. Now second part of this question, the optional part, we need to prove. I am taking LHS side. LHS. By observing this, right, what do I have any identity that is here? Yes, you can say, sir, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Two identities I am having here. So So when I am writing the LHS side, I will be writing tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square is sec square plus cot square theta 1 plus cot square is cosec square. As the answer is 1, I will simplify this. To simplify this, I will write in terms of sine and cos. What is tan theta? Sine upon cos. Sine square theta upon cos square theta. Sec 1 by cos. Cot cos square theta by sine square theta. Cosec 1 by sine square theta. Sine square से sine square cancel, cos square से cos square cancel. So what is left? Sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1, and that is RHS, and that is what we need. Now this question is from 2020 basic 3 marks. Again 2 questions are there and we need to solve only one. What is there in the first question? That the multiplication of these two terms is 2 tan a. I am taking the LHS side. Just pay attention on the LHS side. What I can do, can I say this is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b is what? A square minus b square. This is okay, the first step. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Now a plus b ka whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus sec square a. Now do I know the identity 1 plus tan square a theta क्या होता है बेटा? Sec square theta. So 1 plus tan square के place पे I am writing sec square a plus 2 tan a minus sec square a. This sec square a will be cancelled out and I will be having 2 tan a left, and that is what I need to put RHS, hence proved. As the next question I am having or part, I need to solve only once. As I am preparing the video, I am solving both. You can choose which question is easy for us. So whenever a question is asked in the exam, you can attempt anywhere. This LHS side, obviously LHS side is much to solve, so I will be taking the LHS side. Now what to do in the question? Sometimes we think sir sin cos में convert करें or what else we can do. देखो simple सी बात है, fraction वाले में generally we convert into sin and cos. But as you can see the denominator a plus b, a minus b. So if I take LCM, I will be getting the identity. What I am doing here, I am taking LCM. It is easy. If you convert in sin and cos form, that is also. You can also take cosec common, right? N number of ways to solve the questions. Now cosec plus 1 का multiply करो. Cosec square theta plus cosec theta. This multiply this. Cosec multiply by both cosec square theta minus cosec theta. This cosec theta will be cancelled out. Cosec square 2 cosec square theta upon a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. What is cosec square minus 1? As we know, 1 plus cot square equal to cosec square. So I can write cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 को क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं? I can write it as cot square theta. Now I am converting it into sin and cos form. 1 by sin square theta, cos square theta upon sin square theta. Sin square से sin square cancel. 2 by cos square, that is 2 sec square theta, and this is the answer. Now next question, fourth question of this video is of 2019 4 marks. देखो बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड स्टार्ट हुआ 2020 से, है ना? तो 19 में हमारे पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, तो we are solving this. This question is very special question. Very special question in the terms. We have 3 terms in the numerator and 3 terms in the denominator. This is the only variety which we will be having in the term of second 10 cosec और cot मींस ये वेराइटी बहुत नहीं है, 3 न्यूमरेटर में 3 डिनोमिनेटर, मतलब आप समझना इस क्वेश्चन को। What we are going to do, will be doing according to RHS. In RHS we are having sec and tan, so we'll convert it into sec into tan. What is sec theta? 1 by cos, tan is sin by cos. So both is having cos in the denominator, so I am taking LHS side and I am dividing by cos theta in numerator and denominator. Cos A, the LHS side is sin A by cos A, cos A by cos A, 1 by cos A, sin A by cos A, cos A by cos A, 1 by cos A. Cos से cos cancel, cos से cos cancel. What is sin by cos? Tan A minus 1, 1 by cos sec A. Sin A by cos tan A plus 1 minus sec. Right? Why I have told this is a 3-term question, numerator and denominator. 3-term question, you always divide by sin theta or cos theta. Here I have divided by cos theta in numerator. And second step, that is very deciding step of this question, is what? In numerator you will be having a 1. Put the identity related to the terms. We have tan and sec. Can I say sec square A, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So in place of this 1, very important, tan plus sec I am writing first. And in place of this 1, minus sign is there, I am writing sec square A minus tan square A whole upon tan A plus 1 minus sec A. Now we have A square minus B square. A square minus B square is what? A plus B, A minus B. So we have tan A plus sec A, this A square minus B square, A plus B and A minus B upon tan A plus 1 minus sec A. Can I take A plus B common? Yes. Tan A plus sec A is common. 1 minus sec A minus tan A whole upon tan A plus 1 minus sec A. Now you can see this is numerator in the bracket and this is same. Tan is of positive sign, sec is negative and 1 is positive, so we'll cancel out these two terms. These are exactly same. So what we have left? Tan plus sec. And we can say this is the answer, but do I getting the term that is on the right hand side? The right hand side is having the term in the denominator and just what? Opposite sign. So what I am doing? I am multiplying by the value that is written tan minus sec in the numerator and denominator. So I can write in the numerator A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square upon sec A minus tan A. Sec square minus tan square is 1 upon sec A minus tan. And this is what the RHS and this is what I need to do. I hope this question is clear. Next question is of 2019, 3 marks again. We have sin plus cosec ka whole square, cos plus sec ka whole square equal to these terms. Whatever we do in trigonometry is based on the term that is on the right hand side. On the right hand side we have the square terms and on the left hand side a plus b ka whole square, a plus b ka whole square. So I will be squaring both, squaring LHS. A plus b ka whole square, what I can write? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Again, a plus b ka whole square is what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? You can say 1. Then I can write, can I say sec into cosec is 1, because cosec क्या होता है 1 upon sin, तो sin से sin cancel हो जाएगा. Likewise cos into sec is 1, because sec is 1 by cos, cosec of this will also be cancelled, this will be cancelled. Cosec square theta plus cos square theta. What I have written? Sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Now 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 5, plus we have these two terms, but here we have 7. Also we are not having these two terms, so we need to change it by the identity. What I can do, sorry, this is not cos, this is what? Sec. I can put the identity. What is cosec square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. What is sec square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. We have the identity, right? What identity we are having? We can say 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7, plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. That is what the RHS side, and I hope this is clear. Now in this video I have taken questions from 2019 and 2020 paper. I hope this is clear. The main thing is, in trigonometrical identity type questions or in trigonometry type of question, is to develop the trigonometrical aptitude, develop the concept. The more you will solve the questions, the more things will be clear to you. Thank you so much.